Hi there, Kim from Expression Artwork. So I have this 12 by 12 inch wood wall sign. It comes with a little jute rope to hang it. And I just went ahead already and I painted the very inside of this sign because I'm going to go ahead and paint the outer frame surface the same color with Saguaro Sage. It's a chalk paint by Painted Sky Paints, and they're a paint company online. And I wanted to get rid of that orangey brown that the sign already came with when I bought it, and I didn't feel like it went well with my project. So I chose the sage, well, for two reasons. I love sage. It's one of my favorite greens. It's also a very neutral green. And I'm going to be applying a beautiful fall transfer to the center of this sign. And with that transfer are different hues of green, including the sage. So I just felt like it was going to be a perfect color to use. And because this is a chalk paint, I only needed to apply one coat for good coverage. Again, this is Kim from Expression Artworks, and I hope that you're following me on Facebook, and if not, that you would give me a follow. I post things there that I create. I do lives and reels and tutorials. I'm using a dark antique wax after I dried it fully, of course. And this is just going to give it like that weathered, aged antique look that I'm looking for. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to. It's just an option. And you could see the look that it gives you. Then from the same paint company, I'm using Trail Sand. It's just a very neutral off-white. And I'm using my little Chippy tool. And basically what you do is you just dip the tip into the paint and you're kind of scraping along, and you decide where you want to place the paint, how much, how little, and this just gives you a nice chippy look. There's different ways of doing chipped paint, but this is one way that you could do. And like I said, you don't have to do this either. This is just offering different techniques for you. And you can see how the paint looks chipped. And that's why I chose to do the antique wax too, because I felt like the two worked well together with that same type of aged style. And then you just want to dry that up really well, and look at this beautiful fall transfer. This is brand new from Essential Stencil, and this is an 8 by 10 size, which is also new to them. It's called Heirloom Harvest, and you get 3 different transfers in one pack. And this is the one I'm using. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So I'm just going to place it down and center it the best I can. And then I'm taking their burnishing tool that you could also get on their website. And I'm just making sure I'm adhering it really well. And this new line of transfers just came out, so definitely check them out. And I'm just going to peel away very slowly. I'm going to keep the burnishing tool in one hand as I peel away, just in case there's some that want to come up, then I have it just to burnish it right back down. I'm also an affiliate with Essential Stencil, and you could use my code Expression Artworks, and that's all one word, no spaces, and you could use my code at checkout for an additional 10% off. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm so happy with that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.